Hi, I'm Fuzz Townshend. I'm here to tell you why it's so important to service your car within the scheduled service intervals and the correct timescales. Let's talk safety. We all rely on our cars to be safe to drive each day, so it's worth booking a regular service to make sure that your car is in tip-top condition. During a service, an expert technician will inspect the vehicle's important components such as steering, brakes and suspension. They'll also check tyre condition, tread depth and tyre pressures, and also things like the wipers and washers and also exterior lights. If one or more of these isn't up to scratch, you could be risking your life and the lives of other road users. Some buyers won't consider buying a used car without a full service history. A full service history indicates that the car is in good condition, that it's been well looked after and thus retains its value. You can even save some cash. A well-maintained vehicle will run more efficiently and use less fuel. So therefore, not only do you save money, but you reduce your impact on the environment. Regular servicing includes changing the engine oil and the filter, and on petrol-powered cars, the spark plugs. These changes can help your car to run more smoothly and to improve its fuel consumption. Regular engine oil changes will also help to extend the life of your engine. Now, it's very unlikely that such a fine vehicle as this will break down. However, in the unlikely event that it did, it can be a very stressful and inconvenient experience. And, depending on vehicle age, it can also be very expensive. With regular servicing, faults can be detected at an early stage, which means that you can arrange for repairs to be done at a time to suit you, rather than have a journey disrupted at a later stage. Preventative maintenance will be far less costly than having your vehicle towed away and repaired far away from home. The service schedule for your vehicle depends upon its manufacturer, its age and its mileage. It's important that you stick to the schedule so that you do not invalidate the manufacturer's warranty. In conclusion, having access to your vehicle's full service history is invaluable in terms of resale value, peace of mind and improved performance. So whether you're looking to buy a used car or maintain an existing vehicle, it's important that you understand and document its service history. To book a service, call your KGM dealer today.